Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the previous year RRB Group D question paper. Okay, so already we discussed some questions in the same paper. So in this live session, we are going to discuss some more questions in the same paper. Okay, right. See the question here. If the perimeter of a circle is 88 by 7 centimeter, okay, if the perimeter of the circle is 88 by 7 centimeter, then find the perimeter of the square. They given, if the perimeter of the circle is given, we need to find the perimeter of the square, the length of each of whose sides is equal to the radius of the given circle. Okay, the length of each side of the square is equal to the whose sides is equal to the radius of the circle. So we need to find the perimeter of the square. In that the side of each the side of square is equal to the radius of a circle. So first of all, we need to find the radius for this. Okay, so they given the perimeter. Okay, so they given the perimeter is equal to 88 by 7. So we have the formula, perimeter of circumference, perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So perimeter of a circumference or perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r is given 88 by 7. Okay, so 88 by 7. So 2, they given pi is equal to 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into r is equal to 88 by 7. Okay, so see once again, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to, perimeter is given 88 by 7. So 7 cancel, 2 into 2 44. So 44 2s are 88. So r is equal to 2 centimeters. So radius of the circle is 2 centimeters. So here we need to find the perimeter of a square whose length is equal to the whose each side of length is equal to the radius of the circle. So here radius is 2 centimeters. In a square we have 4 sides. So 2 into 4 we get 8 centimeters is the perimeter of the square. Okay. So see the options. Option 1 7, option 2 9, option 3 6, option 4 8 is correct. Option 4 8 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. See the question here. One more question. See 7 boxes P, Q, R, S, T, U and V are kept on one over the other, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, only 3 boxes are kept below R. So before going to draw the Venn diagram, so first of all write the 7 floats like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Right. See here, only 3 boxes are kept below R. So only 3 boxes kept below R means R place is at 4. Okay. Right. S is immediately below Q. Okay. S is immediately below Q. Okay. Right. V is immediately below T. Okay. V is immediately below T. Okay. Right. P is the immediately above Q. Okay. So P is the immediately above Q. So S is the third box from the top. Okay. S is third box from the top means, so from the top we have 5 is the third block from the top. Okay. S can place here. So according to these we can write Q in the 6th, P in the 7th. Okay. So T is not immediately below R. Okay. t is not immediately below, or we can place t in the place of 2, and below t we have v. Okay, only one place is vacant, we can fill the remaining place by, so p, q, r, s, t, only u is there, we can place here u. Okay, right. So what is the question? Which is the third box from the bottom? Which is the third box from the bottom? So from the bottom we have u is the third box from the bottom. Okay, option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. U is the third box from the bottom. Next question. Right, a simple question is given. Okay, so the value of root 29 4 by 25 is, okay, so mixed fraction, in the root they given a mixed fraction. Okay, so simply 29 into 25. Okay, so before doing that I am give some simple technique, just product 25 square. Okay, 25 into 25, 25 square 625 we know, and 4 is extra is there, 25 4s are 100. So 25 4s are 100. So 25 into 29 is equal to 725. Just 25 into 25 we get 625, and here 29 minus 25, 25 4s are 100. So we get 725. 725 plus 4 we get 729 by 25. Okay, right, we know the value of square root of 729 is 27. Okay, 27 by 5. Okay, so what is the options? Options are in the form of decimals. Okay, decimal point. So 5 5s are 5 4s are. So right, 5 5s are 5 4s are. 5.4 is the correct answer. Option 2 is correct. Okay, right, next question. Right, question is based on simple interest. Okay, if the simple interest on certain sum for 18 months at 5.5% per annum exceeds the simple interest on the same sum for 14 months at the rate of 6% per annum by 62.50. Okay, so the simple interest occurred on a certain principal with time period 18 months at the rate of 5.5, okay, exceeds by same principal at 6% 6% per annum for 14 months is 62.5. Okay, right, we can write principal is same. So principal time is 18 months. Okay, principal into 18 months by 12. Why? Because we can take it as a year into rate of interest 5.5. So by 100. Okay, PTR by 100 is the simple interest. This is the simple interest with for 18 months at the rate of 5.5% exceeds by, okay, exceeds by principal with 14 months, 14 by 12 we can write here into 6%. This is the 14 months, this is the interest, simple interest is calculated for 14 months at the rate of 6% per annum. So what is the difference is given? 62.50, 62.50. Okay, right. So we can simply write send this 100 is as LCM. So send that 100 to the right side. We get 6 2s are 6 3s are. So 3 by 2 can be written as 1.5. So P into 1.5 into 5.5 minus we can write 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 1s are 2 7s are minus 7p is equal to 6250. Okay, so this LCM 100 is sent to be the right side. Okay, so 1.5 into 5.5, 5 5 is a 25, so 15 5 is a 75 and 75. Okay, right. So we get 8.25. Okay, we get 8.25. Why? Because here 2 decimal points is there. So 8.25p minus 7p is equal to 6250. Okay, right. So 1.25p is equal to 6250. Okay, so p is equal to 6250 divided by 1.25 can be written as 6250 into 100 by 125. I am leaving decimal point in the denominator. Okay, so 25 fours are 25 fives are. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 fives are. Okay, so 1250 into 4 we get 125 into 4 we get 500. 1250 we 1250 into 4 we get 5000. Principal is the 5000. So listen once again. So they given some principle. So if the interest rate is 5.5% for 18 months is exceeded by, for the same principle, if the interest rate is 6% for 14 months is 62.5. We need to find what is the principal. So PTR by 100 minus PTR by 100 for different time period, different rate of interest, okay, is equal to the condition they given in the question. Okay, so P1 P into T1 R1 by 100 minus P into T2 into R2 by 100 is they given the 62.50. So by solving itself we can find the principal is 5000. Okay, right. Next question. Right. Okay, so this is the question is based on profit and loss. Okay, so a trader marked the price of an article at 2 by 5 times 2 by 5 times of its cost price. Okay, a trader marked the price. So the trader marked the price means marked price at 2 by 5 times of its cost price, and he sold it 17 by 20 marked price. What is the gain percentage? Okay, so what is meant by 2 by 5? If I purchased it for 1, I will sell I will mark the price it as 2 by 5 means just what is the 2 by 5? Convert into percentage. So 5 ones 5 twos 40%. Okay, so simply do this. So what is 2 by 5 means 2 by 5 is 40%. 2 by 5 is 40%. Okay, 5 ones 5 twos. So 2 twos are 4, 40%. So 1 is nothing but 100%. So we can write nothing but 140%. Okay, so see here, a trader marked the price of an article 2 by 5 times. So let us first take, let us cost price be 100, a marked price be, we can write 140. Okay, so 40% extra. Okay, so selling price is equal to 1720 of marked price. Okay, so 2 by 5 can written as 140%. It is the included of cost price. Okay, so it is a market price 140. So let us take cost price be 100, and then according to that we can market price as 140. Selling price is 17 by 20 of market price. So 0 cancel, 2 ones 2 sevens. Selling price is equal to 17 into 17. 17 into 17 we get 119. So we get 119. Selling price is, okay, selling price is 119. Cost price is 100. So what is the difference? 19. So 19 is the profit. So here cost price is 100. So 19%. Okay, profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. Profit is 19, cost price is 100 and 100 percentage. So 100 cancel, 19 percentage is a profit percentage. Okay. So once again listen, a trader marks the price of an article at 1 2 by 5 times. 1 2 by 5 times, 1 is the cost price, nothing but 100%. 2 by 5 times is the extra, that is 40%. So he marked 140%. Okay. So of its cost price, he sold it 17 by 20 of market price. So 140 is the market price. So he sold 17 by 20. We get 119. So 119, we get 119. 119 is the selling price. 100 is the cost price. So 19 is the difference. Okay, 19% is the gain percentage for the question. So option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Next question. Right. See a question. A dishonest dealer professes to sell its goods at cost price. Okay. But uses a false weight, thus he gains 25%. Okay. How much quantity of grains does he give for kilograms? Okay. A dishonest shopkeeper, a dealer professes to sell goods at cost price. Okay. So he gaining 25%. Okay. So in 1000 grams, we are considering that each gram is 1 rupee. Here gaining 25%. Okay. So 125%. Why? Because 100 is the cost price, 25% is the profit of X is equal to, what is that? He is giving, he is taking 1000 rupees for 1 kilogram. Okay, right. So X is equal to 1000 into 100 by 125. So 25 fours are 25 fives are 5 ones are 5 twos are 200. Okay. So 200 into 4 is equal to 800 grams. Okay. So once again see the question. A dishonest dealer professes to sell its goods at cost price. So I am writing that, see here. So I am taking cost price as 1000. Okay. So each gram is 1 rupee. Okay, right. So he is using false weight by itself, and he is, so here cost price is same, selling price is same. Okay. So here see the concept, here cost price is same, selling price is same, but he is using a less weight. Okay. So on the less weight he is gaining 25%. Okay. So 25% of X is equal to, he is taking 1000. Okay. So X is equal to automatically 800. 800 means 800 into 1 gram, 800 grams. Okay. So 800 grams. Next question. Okay. Right. The average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 10. Then find the number at the center when these 5 numbers are arranged in ascending order. Okay. So if the numbers are ascending order, the center value itself is the average. Suppose I am writing here 2, 4, 6 are 3 numbers. What is the average? So 2 plus 4 plus 6 by 3. Okay. So 12 by 3, nothing but 4. So these are the consecutive even numbers. So 2, 4, 6. If it is odd, the middle one itself is average. One more example, right? 20, 22, 24 is the numbers. So what is the average means? 22 is the average for these numbers. So 20 plus 22 plus 24 by 3. Okay. So 66 by 3, 3 ones are 3 22s are. So if the even numbers are, if there are even consecutive numbers, if the numbers are in even odd, So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the middle one itself average. Okay, here the middle one itself average, here the middle one itself average, here also the average itself middle one. So option 1 is correct. So let us solve with some more. Okay, so x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 3 x plus 4 comma x plus 6 comma x plus 8 are the 5 consecutive even numbers. So average of 5 consecutive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is equal to 10. So n 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20 by 5 is equal to 10. 5x plus plus 10 is equal to 50. 5x is equal to 30. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. So what is the middle number? This is the middle number. So x plus 4 is the middle number, 6 plus 4 is the 10. Okay. So this is the some manual method. So by seeing question itself we can answer the question. If the average of consecutive even numbers, if the even numbers are in odd. Okay. So suppose 22 comma 24 comma 25 comma 26 comma 28 comma 30. So what is the average? So these are the consecutive even numbers. These numbers are even, these numbers are odd. The middle term itself is the average. Okay. So the middle term itself is 10 for this question. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. So find the curved surface area of a cylinder whose diameter of base is 14 meters and height is 24 meters. So a curved surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, formula is 2 pi r h. Okay, so 2 pi r h. In that 2 pi is equal to 22 by 7, radius is equal to diameter by 2. So 14 by 2 we get 7. So into 7, and h is also given 24 centimeters, 24 meters. So 7 cancel, 22 into 2, 44 into 24. So 24 fours are 9, 24 fours are 96. Okay, so 960, and again 4 we get 960. So 6, 15, 1056. Okay, 1056 meter square is the curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so by using this shortcut formula, you can give the correct answer 1056. Okay, so 1056. Next question. Right, see the question here. A person has to cover a distance 8 kilometers in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. If he covers 1/4 of the distance. So 1/4 of distance means 2 kilometers. Okay, 2 kilometers in 1/3 of the total time. So 1/3 of the time taking time is 60 minutes. So 20 minutes. Okay, so 2 kilometers he travelled in 20 minutes. Okay, so once again see the question. A person has to cover a distance of 8 kilometers in 1 hour. If he covers 1/4 of distance means 2 kilometers in 1/3 of the total time. Total time is 1 hour. 1/3 of the 1 hour is 20 minutes. Okay, right. Then what should his speed in kilometer per hour to be covered the remaining distance? What is the remaining distance? Here 8 kilometers, in that he covered 2 kilometers, remaining distance is 6 kilometers in the remaining time, so that the person reaches the destination exactly on time. So what is the remaining time is 40 minutes. Okay, so 40 minutes. Okay, so what is the question? 8 kilometers is to be covered in 1 hour. He covered 1/4 of distance, means 1/4 of 8 kilometers means 2 kilometer is covered 1/3 of the 1 hour. So 1/3 of the 1 hour is nothing but 20 minutes. So he traveled 2 kilometers in 20 minutes. What speed he must make to maintain to reach on time on the remaining distance? Okay, remaining distance is 6 kilometers. Okay, remaining time is 40 minutes. So speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is 6 kilometers, time is 40 minutes. 40 minutes can be written as 40 by 60. I am writing in hours. Okay, so 40 by 60. So 6 into 60 by 40. So 0 0 cancel. 36 by 4 can be written as 9 kilometer per hour is the speed, okay, to reach the destination on time. So option 4 is correct, 9 kilometers. Okay, right. Next question. All right, a number series question is given. So we are seeing number series question exactly. 7, 56, 28, 224, 112, and we need to find what will come in the place of question mark. If you see that here 7 8s, okay, 7 8s 56. Okay, if you see here by 2 is given. Okay, 56 by 2. Okay, 56 by 2 we get 28. Okay, 56 divided by 2 we get 28. Again 28 into 8. Okay, 28 into 8 we get 224. So into 8. So here also it given divided by 2. Okay, into 8 divided by 2. Into 8 divided by 2. So next into 8. Okay, so 112 into 8. 8 2 is 16, 8 1 is 8 plus 9, 896. So 896 will get. Okay, 896 is value in the place of question mark. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next question. So syllogisms questions. Okay, right. Some hills or plateaus. Okay, some hills or plateaus. Plateaus. Okay, some plateaus or deserts. Okay, deserts. All deserts are plains. All deserts are plains. All deserts are plains. So see the this is the Venn diagram for the given statement. Okay, some hills are plateaus, some plateaus are deserts, all deserts are plains. Some plains are plateaus. Yes, there is a relation between some plains or plateaus. Yes, follows. Some plains are hills. Okay, here hills is there, here plains is there. Okay, there is no particular relation between hills and plains. All deserts are hills. Here desert is there, here hills is there. So this is also not follows. Only conclusion 1 follows, that is option 1 is true. That is option 1 is true. Next question. All right. Okay. So here the given KIT 20 is related to PRG 50. Okay. In certain way, in the same way, E and T 16 is written as VMG 40. Okay, to which of the following MFG 18 is related to from the same logic. So KIT 20 is written as PRG 50, ENT 16 is written as VMG 40. how can MFG 18 can be written as? If you see that these are the opposite alphabets, okay, KP, IR, TG, EV, MN, TG. Okay, so we can write here what is the alphabet of opposite alphabet of M, MN, FU, GT. Okay, so how these numbers are written? So if you see that here 20 into 2 plus 20 divided by 2. 20 into 2 we get 40, 20 divided by 2 we get 50, sorry 10 we get 50. Okay, so into 2 plus divided by 2. Okay, so here 16 into 2 plus 16 divided by 2. 16 2s are 32 plus 8 we get 40. So first number, so 20 into 2 plus 20 divided by 2, 16 into 2 plus 16 divided by 2. Okay, so write 18 into 2 plus 18 divided by 2. 18 2s are 36 plus 9. Okay, 36 plus 9, 45. 45. So NUT 45. NUT 45. Option 3 is correct. Okay, option 3 is correct. Next question. So one more question on syllogism. So no paint is fresco. So here paint is there. No paint is fresco. There is no relation. No fresco is lacquer. Okay. Some paints are lacquers. Okay. So here some paints are lacquers. Some paints are lacquers. Okay. Right. So there is no relation between Fracco paints, Fracco lacquers. Okay. So these are the conclusions. So by seeing Venn diagram, you can easily answer the question. Just comment your answer in the comment section. Okay. Right. Inequality statement is given. So a statement is given followed by 4 conclusions given in the option. Find out which conclusion is true based on the given statement. Okay. So this is the statement, this is the conclusion. S greater than D. So here D greater than S can be possible. So S greater than D is not possible. Okay. Right. Wrong answer. Next, F greater than R. So R is greater, by seeing itself we can say R is greater than F, F is less than R. This is also wrong. A is greater than F. Okay. So here A is there, here F is there. So by seeing itself, yes, A is greater than F is correct. Okay. Automatically this fourth one is wrong. Option 3 is correct. Next question. Okay. If the mean of 22, 25, 27, 24 and X is 26. So find the value. So I will give a shortcut technique. Suppose what is the average? It is approximately equal to the values, equal to the individual values. Suppose if the number is 26, we can add plus 4. We can add plus 1. Here we can do minus 1. Here we can do plus 1. Okay. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 4 plus 2 is there. Just add plus 4 plus 2, we get 6. So 32 is the X value. Okay. I hope you will get the answer. So no need to write 25 plus 22 plus 27 plus 24 something. So here the observations are very less, and the observations are also nearer to each other. So this if each number is 26, if each number is 26, then the average is also 26, but the numbers are difference is there. So if we get 26, we need to add plus 4. Here we need to add plus 1. Here we need to subtract minus 1. Here we need to add plus 1. Okay, right. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Just add plus 6 to the 26. So we get 32 is the answer for this question. Okay, right. Next question. Right, P, Q and R jointly start a business. Okay, partnership problem. It was agreed that P would be investor 25,000. Okay, and for 6 months, Q 44,000 for 5 months or 50,000 for 3 months. Out of the total profit, 1,04,000 the amount received by P is. So profit ratio is equal to profit ratio of 1 to 3 is equal to investment into time period. Investment into time period. Investment into time period. Okay. So what is the profit ratio? What is the profit received by P? So what is the investment for P is 25,000 for 6 months is to Q is investmented 44,000 for 5 months is to R is invested 50,000 for 3 months. Okay. So 000, 000, 000. So 25 into 6 is to 44 into 5 is to 50 into 3. So 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 10s are. Okay. So 2 3s are 2 22s are 5s are. Okay. So 15 5 3s are 15, 22 of 15. So this is the respective profit ratio of P, Q and R. Okay. So how much amount that P received out of profit? So P profit is 15, total profit is 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 22 52. So P profit by total ratio, sum of ratio into profit amount. Okay. So 52 ones are 52 twos are. So 15 into 2000 is the profit of P received, that is 30,000. That is 30,000. Option 1 is correct. Okay. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D. So if you are seeing my videos, at least you are getting some idea about the which type of questions are asking in Group D. Okay, right. Thank you for watching.